Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friends, today in this video I'm going to share few new things probably you have not seen earlier. So please do watch it till the end, and I'll be sharing two stocks as well. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start friend. So friends, in the first column I have put company name, you can see, and in the second column it is industry. Say for example, under company name there is HDFC Bank at the top. So from which industry HDFC Bank belongs is basically represented in the second column under industry, that is bank private. Clear? Now last price means the closing price of today's trading session for HDFC Bank, and this is change in rupees terms, or you can say change in absolute terms. So from yesterday's close, if you just calculate today's close, it is minus 30.1 in absolute terms or in rupees terms. Now in percentage terms it is minus 1.87 friend, correct? So friends, today you know that Nifty was bleeding almost throughout the whole day, right? So let us see that which particular stock participated in Nifty by how many points. So what do I mean by that? You know that Nifty is basically an index, correct, which constitutes of 50 stocks. So each stock should participate by certain quantum, then only it will move Nifty on either side, right? Not all the stocks will be positive, not all the stocks will be negative as well. Some will be positive, some will be marginal, and some will be negative, correct? So friends, here this HDFC Bank, though from yesterday's close it is minus 1.87 percentage, but today it participated by positive scale or on a positive scale, which is 4.47. so what does that mean? It means that behind today's Nifty's movement, participation from HDFC Bank has been 4.47 points in absolute terms. I hope it is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, please don't forget to put your query or comment in the comment section below. So next it is Infosys, which belongs from IT services and consulting. You all know that. So last price is 1296.5, and in absolute terms it changed by minus 9.05, and percentage change is minus 0.69, and today it participated by 1.1 in today's Nifty's movement. Clear? Now the third one is Larsen. You can see engineering and construction is the industry. Then the last price is 1552, percentage change is minus 0.87, and participation in Nifty is 0.58. So friends, let me just scroll down so that you can have a look at all the 50 stocks, that how it participated. So I'm scrolling down. You can see that today 0. So Tech Mahindra participated by 0 points. Clear? So as I said earlier, that few stocks you will see are participating on a positive scale, and few will be on the negative scale, and few will be completely 0. So it's Tech Mahindra which is 0 today. And then if I scroll down further, you will see that all the stocks below Tech Mahindra participated on negative scale. You can see from Asian Paints to Reliance, it's all negative today. So the worst performance has been from Reliance Industries, which gave minus 2.17 point. Clear friend? So friend, if you just do a summation of this particular column, you will get Nifty's movement for today. If you just follow it regularly, then definitely you will get the idea that which sector is presently moving. So now let's get back to chart of Nifty. You know friend that if you have not yet watched my earlier video, please go back and watch where I mentioned that I gave a target of around 15,470. Clear? When Nifty was around much lower basically. So from this day probably, from this 14,780 or 14,790, Nifty gave almost 450 points on the upside, making a high of 15,257. So since yesterday you can see that Nifty started to come down, and today it was a roller coaster movement throughout the whole day. It came down initially, then again went up, then again came down and again went up. So friend, tomorrow you know that Nifty has its weekly expiry, correct? So for now, or you can say as of now, Nifty's this particular level that I have drawn in pink color, this is 15,000, clear? So this is 14,980 to be precise. This level holds a lot of importance. That is today's low, you can say almost. So until and unless this level gets broken, Nifty again will start moving on the higher side. Though on a broader perspective, I am still positive on Nifty, and I hope that gradually Nifty will move towards this mentioned level. So as of now, the range should be this 15,257 on the higher side. Once it breaks that, it will go towards 15,470, and on the downside, this pink line, that is 15,000, should be watched. And if it breaks that particular line, then the next support it would get from this 14,780, which I had mentioned lot earlier. Clear? Now I'll be mentioning two stocks which you can look from tomorrow. The first one, let me just type. So it's Muthoot Finance. So I'll be going to daily time frame at first, because you know I was showing you 15 minutes time frame in Nifty spot chart. So let me just adjust the chart a bit. Yes friend, so here you can see that from this July 20, that is a high. So I have drawn this downward sloping line in pink color. Clear? So today it was a long big green candle. Clear? Now it exactly touched that line, touched that resistance. Please do track Muthoot Finance, because I think that there is a very high possibility that Muthoot Finance will give a breakout from this level soon in the coming days. So the levels you should watch is basically 1280, 1290. Once it breaks 1280, 1290, then the level can be 1340, 1350, and above which it should be definitely this particular high. So please do track Muthoot Finance. As per me, it looks really good. So now let's move to the next one. Though I shared this particular chart long ago, it is Piramal Enterprise. So I'll be showing you the weekly chart at first, then I'll get back to daily. So friend, this is the weekly chart. So in this weekly chart, you can see that from this September 2018, so basically it's a multi-year old trend line that I have drawn. Clear? So this trend line has been breached. Now you can draw this from here also. You can draw this from here also. But if you draw it from here also, then also it is perfectly fine. But if you draw it from here, why I have drawn it from here? Just to show you the importance that presently, the present candle, if you go to daily, you will see that it has given a breakout. Let me just zoom in a bit. Now today it has given a close above this line. Clear? So anything above this high of this particular last swing high, that is 1650, price should go towards 1700, and once price breaches 1700, then the next target should be 1750. Above that it should be 1800. Now friend, this particular level holds lot of importance. Again, let me just draw one horizontal line here, then you will understand Let me just put it from here. So you can see this particular line previously acted as a good support around this 2019 July, and then again in 2020 you can see this particular line acted as major resistance. Clear? In Jan 21, you can see that this level provided lot of resistance. Now price is exactly touching that level, so this line should be watched minutely. So once it breaks this last swing high that I told you, you should see that price is gradually moving towards 1700, and above that it should be 1750 and then 1800 with the passage of time. So that's all for today. I hope it would add value to you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.